Hi, and welcome to Enrollment Methods in Moodle2. This is Dan Trockman. As in other tutorials before this, you can see that I am logged into courses.blakeschool.org, and I am logged in as myself at this point. What I want to show you today are course enrollment methods. Course enrollment methods allow the teacher to control how students get to their course. So we're going to look at a variety of things. One is whether or not your course is open to guest access. The other is how enrollment happens. You can enroll folks in your course, learners in your course, either manually, and that means that you add them to the list, or you might enroll them automatically, meaning they can come to your course and they can enroll themselves. So that's a self-enrollment. We're going to explore those options. So I'm going to go to a course here, Upper School Science and Health. And the sample course I'm going to use is this one called Environmental Science. And you can see that this course is one of those courses that's set up to be on the grid method of layout, course layout. So what I want to do here is make some changes. I'm going to go to Administration, and I'm going to go to Users. And under Users, let's see who's already enrolled in this course. You can see that there's a variety of folks enrolled in this course. Dan Trockman is, music test student, Ava Mateo, Sean Hickey, and David Boxer. All of these people are students in the course, except for Dan Trockman, who's a teacher. So I could go through quickly, and I can unenroll each one of these people manually, so we can see how they can be enrolled again using these different methods. Okay, so now we've got them just about all unenrolled. And this course is a blank slate. There's nobody in it. Let's take a look at enrollment methods now. So under Administration, click on Enrollment Methods. And you can see that there's three different types of enrollment methods here. There's guest access, which is open, which means that anybody navigating to the course can automatically get into the course without any sort of barrier. They will not be interactive users, but they will be able to see what's in the course. We usually leave courses at Blake open for parents and prospective users and other people to see, get a glimpse into what day-to-day work is like at the Blake School. If your guest access is on and open, you can simply disable it by clicking on the eyeball, and you don't have to get rid of the enrollment method. That will close it off. The other thing you could do, of course, if you never intend to have guest access in a course, is to completely delete that, and it's gone. Now the enrollment methods are just two. One would be manual enrollments and self-enrollment, but to add an enrollment back, simply click on Choose, Add Guest Access, and after it pops up on the screen, you're going to want to enable it. You can tell because it'll be back into the black type, not the gray type. Self-enrollment allows students to stumble into a course and say, hey, I want to be a member of this course at Blake. If you want to give your students just a period of time to do that, you might have it open and say you need to be enrolled by a certain date, and then you can shut enrollment off to keep other students from stumbling into the course and becoming interactive users. The other thing you can do in here is you can set a pass key, for example. So here under enrollment key, I might put a name like Hazah. And you can always see what your password is, H-A-Z-A-A-H. I have no idea if that's how it's spelled, but hey, that works. So I've got a passcode in there. I'm going to save that change. And manual enrollments is just that. That allows you to manually add people to the course. So for example, if I wanted to re-add those students who I have just booted out, I can simply begin searching for their names, say enroll as a student. And pretty quickly I can add them in. track one I wanted to add as a teacher. Depending on your role on the Moodle server, you'll either be able to add teachers or not. Sometimes you may have to ask for help from one of the Moodle admins through support.blakeschool.org in order to get another teacher added to your course. So now I've got these 4 people added in different ways. I'll also show you what it's like for a student to add themselves. So I'm going to go back here to the course. I've got students in the course, but what is it like for a student to self-enroll? So I have another browser here open, and I'm logged in as a student. The name of the student is Music Test Student. We use this to test these sorts of things. If you ever want to test your course from a student perspective, let me know. We'll get you information on how to log in as that person. But you can see that, I refresh this here, you can see that environmental science is not one of the courses that's listed as my courses for this student. So the student would have to navigate to Upper School Science and Health, find that course that they want to become a student in, and then over here under Administration, click on Enroll Me in this course, and they can see that they're challenged with a password. Type in Huzzah, Enroll Me. If I typed it correctly, it lets them into the course, and they are now an interactive user of this course. For that course, that student might want to then set up dock their blocks, give them that look. So now they've got their docked blocks over here, and their interactive calendar over here, which they may want to leave up. So showing students how to do that is part of using enrollment correctly. So back to the course here. So once again, under Administration, Users, Enrollment Methods gives you that view of what are the different types of enrollment that you can have in the course. The other thing that you may want to check is under Administration, Users, Enrolled Users gives you a view of who is in the course, and you can see now Music Test Student is in there. This tells you when they were enrolled and what their specific role is. That's it.